Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Ladybug from Miraculous Tales of Ladybug and Cat Noir. Let's get started at the top of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to start with the upper eyelid. Let's move over to the left side. Starting from the outside, I'm going to curve up. And then I'm going to pull that down and in. We're going to leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right side. So let's line up the inside of the eyelid. I'm going to curve up. And then back down on the right side. Now we're going to tuck two large circles in underneath the eyelid. So let's start at the very top here, curve around, and we're just going to pull that in towards the inside of the eyelid, leaving a little overlap on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw two smaller circles pushed towards the inside for the pupil. So just underneath the eyelid, work my way around, and then back up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. On the top left of each pupil, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And then we're going to fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to draw in the lower part of the eye. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve down below the eye. I'm going to pull this back up towards the inside of the eyelid. Just curving it up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's give her some thick eyelashes along the top. So on the side of the eye, I'm going to curve this out and then up. I'm going to curve back down towards the top of the eye. Coming down and then in. We're going to fill that area in black. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Starting from the top of the eye, I'm going to curve across and then up. Now I'm going to curve down in towards the side of the eye. Then we're going to fill the eyelash in black. Now in between the eyes, I'm going to step down in the middle and draw a U shape for the nose. And then below the nose, we're going to add the mouth. So let's start with the curve from left to right, coming down and back up. Let's add in the upper lip. So on the left side, I'm going to step in, I'm going to curve up in towards the middle, round it out, come down towards the right side. Now let's draw in the lower lip. From the left side, we're going to curve down and we'll pull that up on the right. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move to the side and draw on the side of the head. So we're going to move over towards the left from the eye. We're going to curve down and in towards the chin. Come down and then in. We want to create a point at the bottom of the chin. Now we're going to curve up towards the right. Now on the left side, we'll continue this curve going up above the left eye. So we'll continue that curve going around. Now we're going to pull that in. Let's add in some hair bangs. From the top, I'm going to curve down and in towards the eye, and then I'm going to taper that back up with a short curve. Now let's draw a longer bang going over towards the right eye. I'm going to come down, then just touching the top of the right eyelid. I'm going to curve this up and back over towards the right, and then from here I want to curve around the eye down towards the top of the cheek. Going out, we'll blend this into a curve on the right side. Now we're going to go in and draw on the lower edge of the mask. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve down around the eye, and we're going to go up in the middle above the nose, just curving that around. We're going to work our way back over towards the right side, curving around underneath the eye, and then back up along the side of the head. Now we want to take this curve and flip it up above the eye. So we're going to start on the left side, curve up above the eye. Now we're going to go in behind the hairbang, come down in the middle. Now right here we're going to curve it back up towards the right. Now right here we want to mirror what we have on the left. Go up above the eye and out towards the side of the head. Let's go in and add some of those spots. We're going to start with the large one in the center here. So stepping down from the top of the mask, we'll draw one circle. Now I'm going to draw a half circle above the left eye, just in behind this bang. So starting up here, we're going to curve down, then back up, and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to flip that over along the bottom. So underneath the left eye, we're going to curve up, then down. Same thing on the right eye. Now we're going to draw on the top of the hair. Let's start on the left side of the head. We're going to curve out. I'm going to pull that up and then in just above this point here. Now we're going to overlap the right side of the hair. From this point, we're going to step down, over towards the left, curve over that line, towards the top of the head. Now we're going to work our way down towards the right side. Curving around, and then pulling that down and in behind the head on the right. Now before we draw on the rest of the hair, let's work in the body. So on either side of the chin, we're going to step down and curve out and down towards the hip. So on the left side, we'll go out and then down. We'll move over towards the right and go in the opposite direction, towards the hip. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down in the middle and then back up. Now underneath the chin, I want to add the collar. So it's over on the left side, curve down underneath the chin and then back up. Let's continue working down with the legs. So in the center, we're going to step down and we're going to draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. On the left side, I'm going to step in, curve out, and then down towards the left heel. We'll do the same thing on the right, going out and then down. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the feet. From the heel, curve down and up towards the toe. Now let's round out the top of the foot. From the toe, I'm going to curve up the top of the foot and then pull that in. We'll do the same thing on the right, going up, curving across, and then in. Now from the hip, I want to round out the side of the leg and then on top of the foot. So we're going to start up here, we're going to curve out, and then start to pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right, going out, curving that in towards the top of the foot. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. So about halfway down the body, we start on the left side, curving out, and then down towards the wrist. We'll line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Now back on the left side, let's start with the thumb. We're going to draw a small half circle. At the end of the thumb, we'll draw a small bracket. At the bottom curve of the thumb, we're going to go around the bracket and then go up for the first finger. Now we're going to step down, curve out, and up the second finger. Now the third finger is going to go all the way around the side of the arm, up underneath the head. So go out. Now we're going to pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right side, starting with the thumb, small half circle, and then we'll draw a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we'll go around the bracket and go up, step down, curve around the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the side of the arm, and then up and in behind the head. Now in the center of the body, I'm just going to add a curve for the lower part of the chest, going up and then back down. Now we can go in and add some more spots to the body. Let's start on the left side on the arm. We're going to add one circle down here. I'm going to go up. Draw another circle. Now on the side of the arm, we're going to draw a half circle. Starting on the side of the arm, we'll come in and then back out. Let's go over to the right side and do the same thing. We'll start with that small half circle first at the top. We'll come down, draw another circle down here, and then down by the wrist. Now we're going to move in towards the body and draw some more circles. Let's start with a small one up along the top of each shoulder. We're going to add a large one in the center, just crossing this line in the center of the chest. Let's go to the hips and draw in two small half circles. We'll draw one medium-sized one along the bottom, just above the waist. And then we'll continue down with the legs, starting with the hips. We'll draw a small half circle on either side. Add one right up here. Add a large one on the left leg. Now let's draw two half circles on either side for the lower leg. Add one on the top, just a little bit higher on the right side. We'll add one circle right in the middle of the leg. Now just down here, we're going to add a small circle by the foot. And we'll do the same thing on the left side. Now let's move back up. I'm going to start with the ears on the side of the head. So just behind the side of the hair here, we're going to curve out, round out the ear, and pull that in towards the side of the head. We're going to do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line this up, curving out, rounding out the ear, and then pulling that in. We're going to add a curve on the inside, going in and then down. Now we're going to tuck the pigtails in behind the ears. So on the side of the ear on the left, start by curving out and then down. Now we're going to curve out towards the tip of the pigtail. Going down and then out. I'm going to curve in and then up behind the head. Go in and then up. We're going to take that and flip it over on the right side. Start on the outside of the ear, curve out and then down. We're going to blend into a curve going in the opposite direction. Now let's curve in towards the arm, in behind the head. Now the last thing we're going to do is add 2 thin straps on the side of the head. Starting right where the pigtail meets the ear, we're going to curve up and then out. I'm going to curve up above and then pull that back down. So we're going to taper this, going up and then down in behind the ear. We'll do the same thing on the right. Curving up and then out. Start back at the starting point, go up and then back down. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Ladybug. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.